Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I am a jewelry reseller. I do live sales Wednesdays and Fridays from 12 noon till about 3 p.m. Central Standard Time most weeks. I am so happy to be included in this collab. I've had to take some time off. I know most people are going to be doing new boxes. I went up into my workroom and I grabbed a box. The first one I came up with was 126.23, and that was from Mechanicsburg. So I'm excited. So with this, you're supposed to open and get 15 pieces of wearable, resellable, not junk jewelry. You know, we don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this real quick. My box cutter's over there. I can't reach it. So trusty scissors, right? So we will see how this compares to what they've been sending recently. In my 2022 box, I got that beautiful 18 karat gold necklace. I could only hope that this would have that, but I doubt it. All right, so let's see when I ordered this and make sure it's a 15 piece. You never know. Okay, I ordered this January 20th of 2023. And it does say a rescue box. And at the time, it was $48. I'm not even sure what they are now. So let's go ahead and get this out. There's some air pillows. Remove that box off. Unwrap it. I'll show you guys what we got. Oh, they didn't even put this one in a bag. They're all loose in there. So we're going to go, I'm going to change cameras and we are going to look and see what we got. So hold on one second. All right. So here it is. It was not in a bag at all. So hopefully we got 15 pieces. Too late for me to do anything now if it's not. So let's see. All right. And at this time they were putting sometimes 2 and 3 pieces in a box. So you never know, in a bag. So you never know. So it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, that looks like sterling, just from the patina. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So what I will do is I will take everything out. We will go over each piece. I will give you sizes and prices. Oh, and today I am wearing, in honor of the collab, a beautiful ring. It's one of the ones I sell. It's set in rose gold. It's sterling. And these are rhodolite garnets with Ethiopian willow opals. So I thought I would wear that today because it's just so pretty not to share. So, all right. So I will go ahead and open these up and get you guys prices and we will go from there. Okay. So I got everything checked in and we're going to claim these by number. So what you're going to do is you're going to email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com if you are interested in any of these items. All right, so let's go with the first one. So these are really cute. They are silver tone studs, little button earrings. Got little CZs, and it's like a really pretty white and gray marbling on them. They are adorable. They're in really nice condition. These would be number 1, and you will claim it, and those will be $5. All right, get them back in their bags so I can find them for you. Number 2, get that out of its bag. These are great. These are sterling silver. I did test them with the acid. They are beautiful hoop earrings. These weigh only about 4 grams, so they're not very heavy. These are really pretty. I would say they're about 1.25 inches, and I didn't write it down. Look at that. So, nope, about 1 1/8 inches on these. They are beautiful hoop earrings, sterling silver. We'll go ahead and claim those with number 2, and we'll do those for $20. Excuse me. So sterling and gold have gone up way crazy. So if you guys have scrap sterling or scrap gold, take it in, get the money for it. I took in a whole bunch of broken jewelry, and it was nice. I got a nice payday. So this is number 3. These are Brighton Meridian earrings. They are not marked, and that is normal for these. They are silver plated. They do test as sterling. They have a very thick plating on it. These are CZs. These are 1 1/8 inches. So these are Brighton Meridian crystal earrings, 1 1/8 inch, and we'll do these for 28. They're gorgeous. You'll claim that with number 3. All right. Number 4 are gold tone, and I would call this a peach color. They're in nice condition. They are faceted. They are acrylic, but they are a little bit darker than they are showing on screen. And these are about 1 inch, and they are studs, so a little bit darker. I would call them more of a coral color. Now it's kind of showing a little bit better there. So these we are going to claim for number 4, and those will be $5. All right, let's go on to number 5. So yeah, I'll be putting some more videos up soon. I just do the live sales right now. I've been concentrating on gold and sterling, but I do have a ton of costume. Kate Spade, Kendra Scott. So I have a ton that we can do. So if you guys are ever looking for anything, just email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com and let me know what you're looking for. If I have it, I'll let you know. So these are number 5. These are Lucky Brand. They are a filigree boho earring. They are pretty. They are more of a like brass tone color. These measure in at 2 inches, so number 5, and you'll claim those, and it's $5. I got a lot of earrings. I remember in the 2023, 2024, we were getting a ton of fashion earrings, so not surprised at all. So these are super pretty. They don't test as glass. They feel like a glass, but they are not. They're like a teal blue, really pretty, gold tone. Now, there is a little bit of wear up here on the top. Let me show that to you. I want you guys to be aware of that. But they are super pretty. They are 1 1/4 inches. This is number 6, and we'll do those for $5. All right, next is another pair of earrings. So this will be number 7. These are Bobby Danglers. I can't even. Bobby Dazzlers. Here we go. From Oak Island. Oh, so these are pretty. These are a light lilac, I would call them, and then a pretty pale purpley pink faux pearl. You have rhinestones. These are silver tone and kind of brass tone. These measure in at 1 1/2 inches. Really cute dangles. We'll do those for $5. You'll claim that with number 7. Okay, number 8 starts the bracelets, I believe. Yes. We have a black plastic bangle. And I am going to move you guys up for a second here. All right. Let me get my bracelet mandrel. I love this bracelet mandrel. So it is a black plastic acrylic. It's not Bakelite. And it is measuring right about 7.75 on the bracelet mandrel. It measures in just under 2.5 inches on this. So number 8, we will go ahead and claim that for, we'll do that for $5. Okay. Number 9 is super pretty. So this is by Ellen Crawford. Now, Ellen Crawford does, I didn't know that she did costume jewelry. She does high-end jewelry. This is not sterling. This looks like this was one of her pieces where they were like testing it. Ellen Crawford. It's got the number on it. It is a bolo bracelet. You've got mixed metals here. No sterling on this. So this will fit most people. So Ellen Crawford, mixed bolo, a bracelet. number 9, and we'll do that for $10. It's super pretty. I love that color. All right, we're going to need this back. So number 10 is a really pretty Lily Pulitzer gold tone and pink enamel, and this is measuring in at 8 inches, which is perfect. Love it. I love Lily's colors. It's bright, it's cheerful. This is an 8-inch bangle by Lily Pulitzer. Again, it's pink, a bright pink enamel, gold tone. We will go ahead and do that for $12, and you'll claim that with number 10. Number 11 is a ring. I'm going to move you guys down. I do test all my sterling, all my gemstones. So this is sterling silver, and these are CZs. It's really pretty, but super tiny, you guys. This is a size 5. So super pretty. Size 5 sterling silver tested ring. It is 2.6 grams. It's number 11, and we'll go ahead and do that for $15. It's pretty, very pretty. So that was number 11. It's always nice to get some sterling. I've gotten, what, 2 pieces? Plus those Brighton earrings are silver plated, so they do test as sterling, but they are plated. So, all right, next we've got, move you guys up, Simply Vera Wang, really pretty necklace. So you've got a gunmetal and a gold tone. It is new. There's my paper. I was wondering where it went. It does have an extension in there. I love this boxy design. It's super pretty. Big and bold is in for this year. So Simply Vera Wang, number 12. We will do this for $6. Okay, number 13. I remember we got a ton of this style, a ton. It's super pretty, super pretty. This one's in fantastic condition. At least it looks like it had some kind of tag on it. Let me bring this down. There we go. Squeak. So this is an acrylic. This is a chartreuse, but a very pale chartreuse. And then you have your rhinestones here, and they are an opaque with a very slight AB on them. This measures in from 18 to 20 inches. It's a very pretty color, and these are faceted, but again, acrylic. We will do this for $6. All right, 2 more items. All right, number 14 is J. Crew. We always got a ton of J. Crew back in the day. So really long chain on this. It's 28-inch total length. It's in the chevron design. So you've got all of your rhinestones there. And it's in pretty good condition. Not too much wear up at the clasp. It is 28 inches. We'll go ahead and do this for $10. Super pretty. All the stones are there. Wait, nope, I lied. Look at that. Nope, we're missing a stone. So if anyone wants it, let me see if this is the stone that just fell out. I don't know. It might be. Okay. It might be the stone. I'll put it in the bag if anyone wants it. You can have it for $2. I am not positive if that stone belongs to that or not. And it's too small. I don't want to glue it. So we were going to do that for $2, and it's as is on that piece. Okay, number 15 is not sterling. It's really pretty. This is 16 inches. Let me go ahead and get this up here. 16 inches. It is a butterfly with CZs. The metal definitely needs some cleaning. It is not sterling. I did test it. It is marked NRT. Again, 16 inches, so you could easily add an extender to it. It's a pretty 3-dimensional butterfly, and we will go ahead and do $5 on that. All right, I am going to come back up. All right, so not too bad. Again, this box was from January 20th, 2023. So about on par how they were. I've gotten some fabulous boxes, and we've gotten some boxes. So let me know how you guys liked it. And if you are interested, you can go ahead and email me right here, timelessjewel, no S, by Deborah@gmail.com if you are interested in any of the pieces. And I would sure love to have you guys on at one of my live sales, Wednesdays and Fridays, 12 noon to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. I do pop up on other people's channels once in a while. I may have some more time coming in the future. So thanks again, you guys, for having me in the collab. And I will put a picture after this of who is either before me or after me. So you guys have a fantastic day or night. And thank you for hanging out with us in the collab. And I would sure love to see you. And thanks for putting this together, you guys. All right. I will talk to you soon.